Fire Ninong Lamin. That's bad Ninong Lamin. Fire.
Ba't yan ang sinabi niya muna, fire?
So ngayon, meron kaming nabili nila Kisha sa TikTok shop na isang water gun. Oh no! Kisha, I don't know how to use it. Don't use it to them. Use it to your Ninong. You know Ninong Lamin? Say bad. Ninong Lamin. We're not gonna annoy Mommy today, Kisha. Because Mommy's just right there, oh. Say hi, Mommy!
Hi, Mommy!
There! So, ang mga babarilin natin, yung mga bad na ninong ni Baby Kisha. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Come here. We're gonna put water inside your magazine. Kisha, loko. All done.
Hold on.
All done. Ang titigi siya, hawak-hawak ang cellphone ko. Diyos ko po, Kisha, big girl ka na talaga. Daddy's gonna teach you how to use it first. Say okay first, say okay.
Okay.
Okay, okay, here. Okay, shoot the toilet. There you go. Good job. Oh, don't shoot daddy. Don't shoot daddy, Kisha. Shoot there, shoot. There you go, good job. Say yoo-hoo. Ito na yung baby Kisha ko. Oh. Okay. I think my baby Kisha is now ready. Kisha, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Sakto, nagpapabraid sila Amit ngayon. Kisha, we're gonna shoot Ninong Lamin, okay? Okay. You ready? Hello? You ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Ninong Lamin, bad yan. Si Ninong Lamin, bad yan. First, daddy. Like this, like this, oh.
Alam niyo, kayo.
Oy, hindi ako yun, ha? Hindi ako yun. Hindi ako yun, ha?
Ito yung nakita ko doon naman sa Facebook na nantitrip ko.
Ano, Kisha? Ano, ikaw daw yun?
Ikaw yun, di ba? Ayun yung nantitrip na bata, di ba yung baby?
Kisha, ikaw daw yun? Say not me. Kisha? Oh, look at that, oh. That's Ninong, oh. That's Ninong. Bad Ninong, right?
No, it's not me. It's you.
Uy! Fire Ninong Lamin. That's bad Ninong Lamin. Fire.
Ba't yan ang sinabi niya muna, fire?
Oh.
Ay,
Kisha.
Kishang. Naasar ka nun, no?
Ninong is a good boy.
No, not a good boy, Ninong. Ninong Yang A.
I'm your favorite Ninong, Kishang. Don't bang with me.
Kisha, fire. Fire Ninong Yang A. 1, 2, 3, fire! Nagbo-bombastic side eye. Daddy will disassemble. Okay. Fire! Fire, Kisha! Fire! Fire! Kisha! Look, Daddy! Bugs! Because you're a bad Ninong, you deserve.
Aray ko. Wag.
Okay, let's go back.
Ito napapalit kay ano eh, kay Boy Dila.
G, ang sarap, no? Pag monthly trip ka kasama yung baby mo, walang palag. Taas kamay.
Hindi ka pa pwede gumamit niyan.
Taas kamay.
Bata ka pa.
Oh, bata ka pa. Water gun lang yan. Water gun lang yan. Pahing kami chocolate. Pahing kami chocolate. Pag di mo kami binigyan ng chocolate, babarilin ka nila Kisha. Pag yun sinabi kong fire, babaril yan.
Gusto mo lang ako.
Yung chocolate, bilis.
Ito na.